So welcome to Sakala Vijay YouTube channel. Okay, Swati Singh, Haripriya, Nagarjuna, Prasanna Hani. Thank you, Prasanna Hani. Good feedback given. Swati Singh, next Varalakshmi, Vamshi, Avinash Avi, yourself also. Gonela Raghuram, very good. Monica Reddy, Vaishnavi Vinayaki, Vamshi Yadav, Abhilash Reddy. So one important announcement to you for Andhra Pradesh students. As far as yesterday's information, for advanced supplementary examinations might have been actually postponed, I think. Okay, even there may be a chance of even failures also can appear for Mset examination. Okay, but Mset examination will be conducted sure, but the basis on only performance of the Mset examination you may be selected. The weightage might not be taken into consideration, I think so, in this critical situation, COVID situation, in this situation. Okay, now inform to all your friends once again, better to concentrate on Eamcet during this time. Even it may be conducted within the stipulated time, or otherwise it may be postponed, but definitely it will be conducted on the basis of the uh, test competitive entrance examination only. You will be selected. Okay, Balu, Sai Bunny. Okay, all of you, please, one thing I would like to request you, you need to follow the guidelines while charting. Don't chart private charts here. So you need to chart regarding to the subject itself only. Okay. And one more thing in WhatsApp group, actually, yesterday I observed you have charted personally, so that I changed only for the messages will be sent by the admins itself only. Okay. Right. Enough, Vamshi, enough, Vamshi. So first you need to trust the teacher, trust your lecturers. So that's very important. That's called belief. Definitely will get success. That means be positive. Be positive. Vivek, Vivi, Noni. Today, so new viewers are there. Subscribe, like, and share to your friends too. Okay. Good morning, Swati Singh. Prasanna. Thank you, Prasanna. Thank you, Swati. Well, thank you, Vaishnavi. Okay. What about where is Dishwank? Dhruvamsh. Narla. Suma. Yes. Good morning, Suma. Right. Preeti. Eamcet, no, they won't, because that is the deciding factor. Yes, Pramila. Very good morning. Right. Pramila. Where are you from, Pramila? Madhurima. Preeti. Kartik. Mohana Krishna. Sanjeev Rao. Lavanya. Abdul Samad. Okay, now let us start. 9:35. Okay, let me start now. Areas under plane curves. This is part 1. Today is the part 1. Okay, Shankar, I have seen. Okay, it's enough now. Maros Sadvika, thank you. You have given good feedback. Thank you, thank you. Harshit Reddy, Narla Peru Marcha Venduku. Okay, you leave it. That's it, not yours problem. Okay, Jeshwant Reddy. Areas under the plane curves part 1. So now first important point, let me discuss. First point, the area of the region bounded by the curve. No, for actually there may not be supply in Andhra Pradesh, but Telangana may be there. Okay, don't worry, I will discuss later, Nani. The area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x. X-axis and the lines. Yes, Suma. Leaves and the lines x is equal to a, x is equal to b is given by area a equals to integral a to b y dx. This is the first one. The area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x, x-axis and the lines x is equal to a, x is equal to b is given by a is equal to integral a to b y dx. I will check Pramila. Later. Okay, definitely. You make a call to me personally after completion of this session. I need to talk with you. So now, right. Okay, now I will show the diagrammatic way. All of you look at the screen, please. Okay. Thank you, Ashwaradi. You have given us also. Very good. You are all our volunteers. Definitely will give it. Say this is x-axis, this is x dash, this is y and y dash. So now, for example, this is y is equal to f of x curve. For example, this is x-axis. See, this x is equal to a, this x is equal to b. Say this is a, this is b. So this line is parallel to the y-axis. This will be the origin. So we need to find out this area. That means area under the plane curve. This is the curve under the plane curve with x-axis, including x-axis, and x is equal to a, x is equal to b. Understood now? For example, sometimes actually the graph may be like this. Graph may be like this also. See, now this is A point, this will be B. We need to find out this area. This curve is y is equal to f of x only, same curve, y is equal to f of x. Next, the curve may be like this also. The curve may be like this. Curve may be like this. That means this is x is equal to a. Here this point meets at x-axis at b, this x-axis, x dash, okay, y and y dash. This is the origin. This also origin. Okay. Now this area. Say this curve is y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x. Next, the curve may be like this. Like this. This is A. This is B. So this area we need to find out. This function is y is equal to f of x. So in all cases, you remember, in all cases, the area under these curves is given by only one and only one formula, that is A equals to integral a to b f of x dx. Sometimes you may get negative answer also, don't get any confusion. Always area is positive itself only. Whenever if you get negative sign, put the mod. Understood now? So this is the area is given by this formula. So all of you note down. If you want to, you can draw the figures also. So this is the first concept. Understood all of you now? Okay, just I have discussed general curve Narla. Right. Right. Wait. 1 minute. Next, second concept. Gopalam sai, after a long time, where had you been? Right. Second concept. The area of the region bounded by x is equal to f of y, If Narla gives any response, she will be kept hide. X is equal to f of y, y-axis and the lines y is equal to c, y is equal to d is given by A equals to integral c to d x dx x dx x dx. Okay, now now this is x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so let me explain as fast as. Okay, here see, the cases will be like this. This will be okay, origin. This is also origin. Origin. This will be origin. X, x dash, y and y dash, x, x dash, y and y dash, x, x dash, y and y dash. So x, x dash, y and y dash. Right. What is that, Ambarish? Don't do like that. So now, for example, the curve is like this. For example, if the curve is like this. For example, if the curve is like this. For example, if the curve is like this. So this is y is equal to f of x function. Sorry, x is equal to f of y function. This also x is equal to f of y. So x equals to f of y. X equals to f of y. Okay, now for example, this is x is equal to c, x is equal to d. So this area we need to find out. Say this is c point, this is d point. This is c. For example, this is d. This area. This is c. This will be d. Now this area. This will be c. This will be d. This area. So in 1, 2, 3, 4 cases, see, now area is given by integral c to d x dy. This is the area in 4 cases. In 4 cases. Right, I will check. Right. Understood now? Next, third point. If f of x greater than 0 for every x belongs to A to C and f of x less than 0 for every x belongs to C to B, then the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x, x-axis and the lines x is equal to A, comma x is equal to B is given by see A equals to integral A to C y dx minus integral C to B y dx. So this we need to write. So that means actually, for example, if f of x is positive in the domain of a comma c, for example f of x is negative in the domain of c comma b, then okay, no problem, I'm ready. So for example, if integral a to b, you need to find out area of the region bounded by the curve with x-axis and x is equal to a, x is equal to b is given by A equals to integral A to C y dx minus integral C to B y dx. Thank you, Yadav. Right. Okay, now this origin, x-axis, x dash, y and y dash. Suppose if the curve is like this, okay, that means this curve is y is equal to f of x only, but y is equal to f of x is divided into the piecewise. One is up, another one is a down. So this up we need to consider actually plus sign, down we need to consider negative sign. That's very important now. So and moreover, see here the line parallel to the y-axis, say this will be A, say this will be B. Now A to B we need to find out. If you directly integrate, you will get 0 answer. That's why what you need to do now, since this in this one f of x is positive, here f of x is less than 0. Say this is C point. Now we need to break actually A to C and C to B we need to find out. Whenever if you find A to C the area, for example say this area is, see this area is A1, this area is A2, then A1 plus A2 we need to find out. That means for example you get like this, A1 equals to integral A to B y dx, sorry A to C. Next A2 is equal to this area is say A1 area, say this area is A2. Now A2 is equal to negative sign here, this minus, you get minus integral c to b y dx we need to find out. But required total area we need to find out. So that's why total area is given by here A equals to A1 plus A2. But see, A1 is positive, that's why we can write now this equals to integral A to C f of x dx minus integral c to b f of x dx. F of x is nothing but y. So that's why this we can write now required area is equal to A equals to, we can write integral A to C y dx minus integral C to B y dx. So this is the required one. Understood now all of you? Sharmila Konduru, you seem to be new. Vaibhav, welcome. Sanjeev Rao, you are new. So fourth. Varalakshmi, why should you need about Preeti? Let y is equal to f of x, y is equal to f of x and y is equal to g of x be two curves. Thank you. Two curves such that f of x is greater than or equal to g of x. F of x is greater than or equal to g of x for every x belongs to the domain that is a comma b, in the interval a comma b. Right. The area of the region bounded by the curves y is equal to f of x, y is equal to g of x. That means the area between so complex numbers class is completed. No, not yet completed. And the lines x is equal to a, x is equal to b is given by a equals to integral a to b f of x minus g of x dx. This is the formula. Integral a to b f of x minus g of x dx. Okay. Okay, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, sorry, x dash, x dash, y and y dash. This is the origin. So now for example here you consider two curves. One curve is up, say this is y equals to f of x. You take another curve, this is y equals to g of x. This is called UC, upper curve. This is called lower curve. Upper curve and lower curve. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. So now this is x is equal to a, this is x is equal to b. This say a point, this point is b. So that means the area between these two curves, the area bounded by the region between the curves f of x and g of x, x-axis and the lines x is equal to a and x is equal to b, we need to find out. Okay, now we need to find out this area, we need to find out this area. So this area means, how to find out means required area is equal to, for example, area bounded by y is equal to f of x with x-axis with these two lines is given by integral a to b f of x dx. That means we will be getting total area. From this we need to subtract this area. This area we need to subtract. Then you will get block area. So that means now minus, you will get integral a to b g of x dx. So this can be stated like this also, integral a to b f of x minus g of x dx. In a simple way you can remember this one as a equals to integral of a to b upper curve minus lower curve of dx. It's a better idea to remember. So upper curve minus lower curve dx we need to find out. Okay, understood now? Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now the fifth point. The area of the region bounded by y square is equal to 4ax, and x square is equal to 4ay. The area of the region bounded by y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay is given by A equals to 16AB upon 3 square units. Square units. This is the, you can remember this one as also shortcut. Shortcut. You remember this one as the shortcut formula. Shortcut formula. Right? Sorry, the area of the region bounded by y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4by is given by a equals to 16 times ab upon 3 square units. So this is the shortcut you remember. If you remember this shortcut, all these kind of problems will be completed within a fraction of seconds. Okay, but let me explain the concept. Concept is very important, so I shall discuss the concepts. Don't worry about this is very easy chapter, and also we have only less number of problems. Less number of problems in this one. Okay. This origin, x-axis, x dash, y, y dash. Okay. So now this is x square is equal to 4ay. X square is equal to 4ay is the, this is right-handed parabola. This is called right-handed parabola. So now you take this is x square is equal to 4by. So this point is P point. These coordinates are 4a comma 4a. Because in tangents and normals already we have discussed in this one. The points of intersection of this first curve. Say this curve is y square is equal to 4ax. This is symmetrical about x-axis. This curve is x square is equal to 4by. This is upwards parabola. Let us assume that a greater than 0, b greater than 0 for suppose. But we may get in 4 quadrants also, no problem. But this area we need to find out. The area between these two curves we need to find out. So this will be 4a. That means this upper curve minus lower curve. So that means what is written in reverse? This is y square is equal to 4ax. This is x square is equal to 4ay. That's all I have written. Check it, is it correct or not, Vikar? Okay. This is upwards parabola. This is right-handed parabola. That's all. Right? Thank you. Thank you. So now this area we need to find out. See how to find out this area means actually here this curve y square is equal to 4ax. You get like this, y is equal to square root of 4a root x. Here y equals to, we can write x square by 4b. So now area is given by integral 0 to 4a this root 4a root x minus x square upon 4b dx. If you just integrate it very simply and substituting this one, you get this equal to 16ab upon 3. This required area is equal to this square units. This is the concept of this one. Right. Okay, once again let me write. The area is given by 16 times AB by 3 square units. SU stands for square units. No, Mohan Krishna, yesterday in binomial theorem I did one problem mistake. You might have corrected or not. One of the viewers actually given good suggestion. Like that you need to give the comments also in the comment box. That's why only I ask you to give feedback, as well as any mistakes are there you need to mention it, so that I can rectify in the coming days. So in the yesterday problem all of you check, that is the actually in binomial theorem 92nd problem, instead of plus I have taken minus sign. So all of you once again go through the binomial theorem chapter yesterday, and just instead of minus sign put plus sign and find out that can be divisible by 10, divisibility by 10. 9 to the power of the such question is 9 to the power of 11 plus 9 to the power of 10 question is there. That question you need to check it now. Okay. So because we are human beings, definitely we commit the errors. That's why we need to admit ourselves. Definitely I will admit if I commit any mistake while solving the problems. Okay. Thank you for you are actually giving me good suggestions. That's why I asked you to give the any comments under the comment section. After completion of the session it will take 20 to 30 minutes. Wait for 1 hour. After that you give the feedback so that I can improve. Yes, Pushpa, you said correctly, but I didn't observe because I will be hurry to complete the problem, isn't it now? See, once one thing you remember here, I need to concentrate on the screen, I need to concentrate on the chart, I need to concentrate on digital slate and everything. So indirectly I need to do what we in Telugu we have avadhanam. I need to do. Okay. Next, sixth concept. Sixth concept. The area of the region bounded by y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay is given by same problem only, just like this one only. Here a equals to 16 times a is also a, b is also a square upon 3 square units. Square units. So thank you. Okay, seventh one. Let me go for the seventh. The area of the region bounded by y square is equal to 4ax, okay, no problem Damodar Reddy, and y is equal to mx line. is given by a equals to 8a square upon 3m cube square units. Thank you. Okay. Right. This is x-axis, x dash, y and y dash. This origin. So now y square is equal to 4ax is the, here we have, that is right-handed parabola. This is y square is equal to 4ax. And next, y is equal to mx passes through the origin. Y is equal to mx passes through the origin. This is y is equal to mx. Then we need to find out this area. Okay. How to find out this area means, actually this area is given by integral 0 to some limit. You can say this point is point of intersection of these two. We need to find out. Say for example that point is a, 0 to a. Now upper curve means, actually here what now, curve minus lower is line, curve minus line dx you need to find out. After prior integration you get like this now, 8a square upon 3m cube square units. Right, understood now? Next one is 8th point. The area of the region bounded by y square is equal to 4ax and its lattice rectum is given by A equals to 8a square upon 3 square units. Okay. The area of the region bounded by y square is equal to 4ax parabola with its latus rectum is given by, that we need to find out. Okay. X-axis, x dash, y and y dash, this is origin. So now this is the parabola. This is y square is equal to 4ax. Suppose you draw a perpendicular to the axis, x-axis, like this. So draw a perpendicular. Say this point is A, this point is B, say this point is S. S stands for focus. S stands for focus. Understood now? The focus of this parabola is given by A comma 0. The perpendicular to the y-axis which passes through the chord, a perpendicular chord passes through the focus is called latus rectum, or that is also double ordinate. Double ordinate which passes through the focus is called latus rectum. Understood now? That's a latus rectum. So that's why now what we need to find out means this area we need to find out. This area. But in figure, these two areas, for example, say A1, this area is A2, A1 equal to A2. Both are symmetrical actually. First we can find out integrating 0 to A, this curve y square is equal to 4ax. You get this area. Now required area is equal to 2 times of A1 or A2. That means 2 times integral 0 to A y dx we need to find out. So that we get here actually required area is equal to 8a square by 3 square units. So y square 4ax and latus rectum. Latus rectum means equation x is equal to a. X is equal to a. Thank you, Jashwant. Ninth point. Okay, Mahesh Bob, you have any doubts you can actually ask later. You have so many doubts. Okay, thank you. Right, ninth one. The area of the region bounded by one arch of y equals to sine of ax, and x-axis is given by required area A equals to 2 by A square units. Is it visible to you? Is it visible to you? Is it visible to you? Okay, my name is Murthy. Right. Okay, this is origin. Say this is x-axis, x dash, y and y dash. So now we need to the graph for, thank you, graph for sine ax graph. Actually, you see the range of sine ax is -1 comma 1. Understood now? This is the range of the function sine ax. That means, for example, you take this is 1, this one is -1, you take it. In between -1 to 1 only the sign of ax varies, changes. So now you can draw the graph like this. Sine 0, 0. You take another color, black color. Sine 0, 0. This will be pi by 2a. This will be pi by 2a. This will be pi a. So you get one arch like this. Pi by 2a is actually 1. So one arch will be like this. This is called one arch. One arch. The area of the each arch we need to find out. So this area. Okay, this area is given by, now integral 0 to pi a sine ax dx. You get this value equal to 2 by a square units. But actually once again what happened means, so if you integrate here to here, we get this area 2 by a square units. Right. Or we can write pi by 2a 2 times right up. This is 2 by a square units, you will get it now. 10th one. Similarly for cos also same answer. The area of the region bounded by one arch of y is equal to cos ax and x-axis is given by a equals to 2 by a square units. Each one, look at the screen please. Anjali, first subscribe. $75 watching. Thank you. Ajay Khanna, after long time, you are not coming regularly. What happened? I do not know. Previously used to be very regular. Now you became irregular. 11th. Right. The area of the region bounded by the parabola y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. A does not equal to 0, and x-axis is given by a equals to b square minus 4ac. Discriminant whole to the power of 3 by 2 upon 6a square units. Okay, so when Eamcet exam means it's not sure event, just like probability. It is not sure event, but possible event only. But it is not impossible event, but it is not sure event. It lies between 0 and 1 scale. Right, delta to the power of 3 by 2 upon 6a square. Absolutely correct. Next, 12th. The area of the region bounded by the parabola. I will say that it's nothing but random experiment. Conducting of Eamcet examination in AP Telangana is a random experiment. So now tell me anybody what is meant by random experiment. What is meant by random experiment? You need to chart. I will give just 5 minutes time to you. Don't worry. I will continue to later. Don't worry. Now we are going to the last concept only. What is meant by random experiment? Anybody? You chart in the chat box. Bye. See you. I already told you in WhatsApp group also. Those are not interested, they can leave without any hesitation. Because I want real volunteers for our group, for our YouTube channel. I feel that it's our channel only. I don't say never my channel. You might have observed in my sessions, I don't use such word. I use the only word is our channel, our YouTube channel. Okay, welcome to our Sakala Vidya YouTube channel I say, but I don't say my channel. It's not my channel. Random means maybe, may not be. Okay, one answer, correct. So Mr. Rishik Vardhan ready? you will be I request all of you, just please actually block him. He is not at all allowed. I don't allow him tomorrow onwards. Even if he is there in the WhatsApp group, I will delete him. An experiment outcome cannot be predicted. Exactly. Right. Manoj Manu, all of you just block Mr. Rishik Vardhanreddy. Don't allow him tomorrow onwards to the classes. Thank you. Right, okay, leave it now. That I will discuss about the random experiment, don't worry. Right. Maybe occur, may not occur. Okay, leave it now. That's why conducting examination is also same thing itself only. Thank you. X is equal to ay square plus by plus c. A does not equal to 0. And y-axis this time. This also answer same. Is given by A equals to b square minus 4ac whole to the power of 3 by 2 upon 6a square units. Thank you, all of you. Stop now. I will discuss later. Don't worry. Right. The area of the region bounded within the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is no, Ajay Khanna, what did I say means definitely the examination will be conducted. That means that actually it is not, we cannot say that sure. Sure means the probability of happening of the event is 1. If the probability of happening of event is nothing, 0, that is called impossible event. This event means this may occur, this may not occur. So that means tentatively it may occur. That's why I told that there's a random itself. That depends upon the condition, situation. Right. Is given by A equals to pi times AB square units. This is also important for ellipse chapter also. This will be very important for the ellipse chapter also. That means actually like this. This ellipse, this area is given by this one, pi times AB. Circle means here whenever ellipse becomes circle when B is equal to A, pi A square. Area of the circle is pi A square. That means if A is equal to B, it becomes circle. Then area is equal to pi A square, pi R square. No. Ben 10 actually has been actually watching continuously is doing for 1 week ago. I have been observing from keenly observing. Generally, I don't do like that. So really, I will give so respect to you. You might be observing my language also. Even I don't scold at any time also. Even though in spite of the bad words they use while chatting. So they will be excused. But if they disturb us, what can I do? Tell me. What's your suggestion? I seek suggestion from Ben 10. Right. So problem number 1. First problem. Problem number 1. The area the area the area bounded by y is equal to x square plus 2, x-axis x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2 is first option 16 by 3 square units, second is 13 by 3 square units, third one is 17 by 3 square units, fourth one is 20 by 3 square units. Okay, right. The area bounded by y is equal to x square plus 2, x-axis x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Now is enough time. You will get definitely. First watch my all videos. Warning. Now x-axis x dash, y dash. This is the origin. So now we need to draw the y is equal to, here curve is y is equal to x square plus 2. This is f of x. Okay, we need to draw the graph. So that means y is equal to x square is this graph. For example, this will be 2. So graph you will get like this. Say this point is 2. When 0, you get 2. This is y is equal to x square plus 2 graph. So now where to where you need to find out 1. This is 1. This is 2. X-axis and curve. Draw a line parallel to y-axis. So now we need to find out this area. This area we need to find out. Understood now? So this area is given by area is equal to integral 1 to 2 y dx. Y is x square plus 2. Substitute it now. Integral 1 to 2 x square plus 2 dx. So now we get integral x square is x cube by 3 limits 1 to 2 plus 2 times integral of dx is x limits 1 to 2. Okay, this equals to 8 by 3 upper limit minus 1 by 3 plus 2 times upper limit 2 minus lower limit 1. This equal to 7 by 3 plus 2. This is 13 by 3 square units. This is the answer. So now you can check it now. First question solution. Right. Second question. Second question. The area of the region bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4y, the line x is equal to 2 and x-axis is first option 1 square unit, second option 2 by 3 square unit, third option 4 by 3 square unit, fourth option 8 by 3 square unit. This is the question. Yes. The area of the region bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4ay and the line x is equal to 2 with x-axis we need to find out. Okay. This is x square is equal to 4ay curve. X square is equal to 4ay. This origin x dash y and y dash. This will be the 2 line. Say this is 2. This point is 2. Now we need to find out this area. So given curve is what now? x square is equal to 4ay. That implies we can write y equals to x square upon 4. Now we need to find out required area. So required area is equal to integral 0 to 2 y dx. So integral 0 to 2 x square upon dx. This is 1 by 4 common. Integral of x square is x cube by 3. The limits are to be applied 0 to 2. 1 by 4 times 2 cube is 8 by 3 minus 0 cube is 0. 1 by 4 times 8 by 3. This equal to 2 by 3 square units. This answer. Understood now? Right? Thank you, thank you. Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Okay, Bentena, correct only. You prepared the question. All of you observe the question like this once again. Third question. Third question. The area of the region bounded by x square is equal to 8y, x is equal to 4 and x-axis is first option 2 by 3 square units, second 4 by 3 square units, third one 8 by 3 square units, fourth one 10 by 3 square units. Okay, coordinate axis, origin x, x dash, y and y dash. This is x square equal to 8ay. This is 4 you say. This area we need to find out. So x square equals to third, y equals to x square upon 8. So Prithvi, okay, no problem, but just shortly we are going to conclude the session. Watch. A equals to integral 0 to 4 y dx. This can be written integral 0 to 4 1 by 8 times x square dx. This is 1 by 8 times x cube by 3, limit 0 to 4. This will be 1 by 8 times 4 cube is 64 by, this is 3, 64 by 3 minus 0. So 8 by 3 square units. Okay. So if you find actually any left part, okay. This is actually what I have written means only x square equals to 8y. This equation 1. This is the curve. That I have written. Okay. Okay, see you. We shall continue in the evening session. Okay, shall we continue today at 5 o'clock? Enough? Because today is actually solar eclipse is there today. Huh? Okay, we shall continue this chapter itself only today. Because it's very limited problems are there. So that 2 days or 3 days we can complete it. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Have a nice day. So now all of you better give the feedback.